Hello, students from the 6th grade. Let's start our class number 9. So today is May 4th, and we are going to correct the pages 50 and 51, and we are going to learn how we are going to use there be, okay? So let's start. Open your books on page 50, okay? Open your books on page 50, and let's go. So, reading. Before reading, look at the tests and discuss the questions in pairs. Which test gets your attention the most? Why? Here we have a personal answer, okay? And which similarities, the difference can you notice between the tests? Here is a personal answer too. So let's see here. We have here the number 1, 2, number 3, and number 4. So we have, there isn't anything wrong with being different, okay? There isn't anything wrong with being different. Keep quiet and studying on. No conversation, please, no food, drinks, or cell phones. Leave the books on the table. You don't need them, but there are people who do. Donate your old books to the community library. Put your books in the box. Is there an idea in your head? Let us know. Use the suggestion box. So let's see now. We have here, look at the tests and circle the correct option. These tests. So pay attention, guys. These tests, they are ads, leaflets, or posters. They are posters. So we can see them in our restaurants, in schools, or in parks. We can see them in schools. Okay, very good. So check all the correct answers. This kind of test is used to give information. Yes, give information. Attract people's attention. Yes, of course. Tell a fictionary story. No. Persuade people to do something. Yes, can be. Irritate other people. No. Present the author's personal information. No. So, 2. What are some characteristics of this kind of test? So, it is creative? Yes, of course. It is long? No, it's short. There is always an image in it? No. It is visually attractive? Yes, of course. It is visually attractive. It is usually colorful? Yes, of course. It doesn't present questions. Yes? No. Okay? So let's see. 4. Let's see. Number 4. Read the posters in activity 1, then write which ones correspond to the descriptions below. So, which one? So, pay attention here. Which one is information poster? It's number 2 and number 4. Campaign is a campaign ad. Pay attention. What is a campaign ad? Is the number 3. Very good. Number 3. And motivational poster. Number 1. Very good. So let's continue. Read the posters again and answer. Let's see. Pay attention in the posters. So let's see now. We have here. Read the posters again and answer. Which poster can be seen in a library? Number 2. Very good. So encourages people to donate books. Number 3. Asks for suggestions. Number 4. Suggests that difference is good. Number 1. Points at something outside it. Number 3. Number 3. Doesn't present an order or request. Number 1. And G asks the reader a question. Number 4. Very good. So read the poster 2 again and check the signs that convey the same ideas. Look, let's see. So here we have the number 2. Keep quiet and study none. No conversation, no food, drinks, or cell phones, and leave the books on the table. So we have here number 1, number 2, no conversations, number 3, no foods and drinks, and number 5, no cell phones. Very good, guys. Let's continue. Number 7. Number 7, complete the sentences about the messages of the posters. According to poster 1, being different is positive. Poster 2 asks you to be quiet, quiet in that place. 3, according to poster 3, there are people who need your old books, okay? Old books. Poster number 4 suggests that your ideas are important, okay? So this one, after reading, is the open answers here, because this is a personal answer, okay? So let's see now the language 2, page 52. Page 52, language 2. Read the sentences and complete. So here we have the 3 posters. We have, there isn't anything wrong with being different. Is there an idea in your head? You don't need them, but there are people who do. So, letter A, the second part of sentence 3 is in the affirmative form, okay? 3. The sentence number 1 is in the negative form. Why, teacher, is in the negative form? Because here we have isn't, negative. C, sentence number 2 is in the interrogative form. Pay attention, we have the verb to be before, okay? The beginning of the sentence, okay? So, let's continue now. Okay, my dear students, now we have here there to be. There to be. There to be means há ou existem. Ok, pessoal? Então, there to be vai significar há ou existe, tá? Então, nós vamos ter aqui the affirmative form, the negative form, and the interrogative form. But there to be, we're going to have there is and there are. There is a library in my school. There are 2 swimming pools in my club. So pay attention. That is, we are going to use in the singular form. Okay, singular form, there is. And there are, we are going to use in the plural form. Okay, so there is, we use in the singular, and there are, we use in the plural form. Ok? Ok, pessoal? Entenderam? Quem é que tá aí, pessoal? Manda aí nos comentários. Quem é que tá assistindo aí? Giovana tá assistindo? Quem mais tá assistindo aí? Pietro? Vamos lá, meu povo. Vamos lá, então. Continuando. Negative form. In the negative form, we have there isn't a library in my school. There aren't 2 swimming pools in my club. So here we have the affirmative form, and here we have the negative form. Remember the negative form of the verb to be. So we have is, negative, isn't. Okay, isn't. And are, negative, aren't. Okay, so there isn't, there aren't. There isn't a library in my school. There aren't 2 swimming pools in my club. Okay, so here we have singular, and here we have plural. Okay, interrogative form. So now we have here the questions. So, is there a gym? Are there books plural form in the box. Pay attention, guys. So if we are doing interrogative form, if we have doing questions, so we have to put the verb to be before in the beginning of the sentence. So we have there is. In the interrogative form, we say is there. Is there. And we have there are. In the interrogative form, we have are there. Okay. Okay, guys. So the short answers. I can say there is a library in my school. So I can ask, is there a gym? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, so yes, there is. No, there isn't. And we have are there, the plural form. Are there books in the box? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Okay, this is the short answers. Okay, the structure there plus a verb to be is used to say that something exists. Okay, that something exists. So we say there is in the singular, and we use there are for the plural form. Okay, so let's see here. Underline the corrective form of there to be in the incomplete sentence to complete the sentences. So 1, are there or is there many students in your school? Pay attention, it's plural or singular? It's plural form, students. So are there many students in your school? 2, there is or there are 2 students. 2 students, singular or plural? Plural form, there are 2 students in the principal's office. 3, there is or there are a soccer field in the club. Plural or singular? It's singular form, so there is a soccer field in the club. 4, there aren't or there isn't an airport in my town. This is the singular form, so there isn't an airport in my town. Is there or are there a red pen in your pencil case? So this is the singular or the plural form? Is in the singular form, pen. So is there a red pen in your pencil case? There isn't or there aren't many books in the library. So this is the plural form. There aren't many books in the library. 3, complete the questions and answer them about yourself. 1, many students in your class. So, about yourself, students. About yourself, ok? About yourself. Então, pessoal, esse exercício 3, vocês vão fazer aí sobre vocês, tá? Ok? Então, vocês vão fazer aí as perguntas e depois as respostas, tá ok? Snack learning. A-N for singular nouns. Pay attention. We have A and we have N. This is the articles. Okay, the articles in English. Okay, pay attention. We are going to use A. We have a consonant sound. So pay attention. A, we are going to use when the word starts, when the word starts in a consonant. Okay, so pay attention. We have a car. So C is a consonant. So if the word starts in a consonant, we are going to put a car. Okay, a car. Just in singular. Okay, just in singular. We can't we can't use for plural, only for singular nouns, okay? So, singular. So, a car and vowel sound, we are going to use an. Example, an eraser. So, these words start in a vowel sound. Então, pessoal, olha só. Esse a e an são os articles, são os nossos artigos, tá? Os nossos artigos indefinidos. O que acontece então, pessoal? Nós temos aqui a and an. Quando nós tivermos um substantivo, uma palavra que começa com consoante, ok? E sempre no singular, começou com consoante, nós iremos colocar a. Então, a car, ok? A car. E quando começar com uma vogal, ó, eraser, né? Nós vamos colocar an. Então, a car and eraser, ok? A pen and an apple. Okay? So, vowel and consonant. So, complete the sentences about your school. Use a or an where appropriate. Pessoal, aqui também, ó, é personal, ok? Vocês irão fazer aí sobre a nossa escola, né? A nossa escola Jardim do Éden. Então, vocês irão fazer aí essas questões sobre a nossa escola. Belezinha? Ok? Pessoal, essa aí foi a nossa aula de hoje. Caso vocês tenham alguma dúvida, pode mandar aí nos comentários. Por favor, pessoal, não se esqueçam de deixar aí nos comentários o nome e as iniciais dos sobrenomes de vocês, tá? Não se esqueçam disso, tá? Para poder a gente fazer esse controle de quem está assistindo. Ok? Bye bye, students. See you!